While working as a freelancer, a designer, a video editor can be really rewarding, relying solely on one source of income can leave you vulnerable in events of economic or market downturn. So the need for diversification and a passive income stream is very crucial. There are a lot of uncertainties in this freelancing or creators economy because it's difficult to place an exact value on the monetary reward you're going to get in coming months. Sometimes you make a whole lot of money, way more than you expected on average every month. But there are sometimes you make little or nothing. So this could be really scary, but there's a way around it. And the single solution is diversification and making passive income. So in this video, we're going to talk about ways to diversify and make some passive income. And this extra income can help you to secure your financial future. So the first tip for diversification is to offer multiple services. So as a designer, for example, one quick way to make extra money is to offer multiple services. The obvious advantage of this is an increase in client base, and it has a ripple effect on your finances. As a designer, I can offer other services related to graphic design like illustration, publishing, web design, branding, and even video editing. Another advantage of offering multiple services is the differentiating factor. Because you have multiple skill sets, you are more attractive to potential clients and even potential employers if you're looking to pursue a career as an employee in an agency. So, however, it's important to note that having multiple skill sets or offering multiple services can take a whole lot in terms of investment. So you have to invest money, time, and effort to learn all of these skills, because obviously you cannot offer a service on things that you know little or nothing about. The next source of passive income or diversification is to sell digital products. So digital products are products that are downloadable online. You don't need any physical touch point for the sales and delivery of this product. So as a designer, you can leverage on your skill set to help other designers and non-designers to create professionally looking design quickly and easily by providing digital products like design templates, PowerPoint presentation, resume templates, vector files, and even stock images. You can publish and sell them on sites like Etsy and Creative Marketplace. You don't have to publish them on those sites. You can create your own website and sell them off your website. So creating a personal website to sell products will require of you an extra skill or some money to pay a website developer. But this over time is more cost effective because on the other platforms you have to kind of split profits in a way with them or pay a monthly subscription fee to use their platform. So users can go onto those websites, pay a certain amount and download this product and use those products royalty free. Outside design templates and fonts, you can also sell PDF guides. So maybe you have a knowledge of a particular skill, you can articulate and document the knowledge and create a PDF guide and sell to people. Okay, so people who are looking for that information will go to the website and pay to buy those content. The next passive income source is similar to the previous, offering online courses. Online education is estimated to be worth around $40 billion in 2023, and it's expected to rise to over $200 billion in the year 2030. You should tap in and get a piece of that pie. Selling online courses is one excellent way to make passive income while sharing your knowledge with other people. As a designer, a video editor, a writer, whatever, you can create online courses on stuff related to your skill set and sell on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy. You can even create an online platform of your own and sell. Okay, so we already talked about the pros and cons of making a personal website to sell digital products. So creating online courses can help to establish you as an expert in your field, and this can elevate your personal brand. So this has an impact on your following. And when your followership increases, people know you more, like you more, and trust you more. So this can result into bigger clients coming to you for bigger jobs. However, creating an online course requires a significant amount of investment in time, money, and effort. So it is not an easy thing to pull off, but it is achievable. So you can start with what you have. If you don't have the money to bring in a crew to record you, You can prepare your curriculum and use your mobile phone to do the recording. So we've talked about 2 digital products ideas that you can sell online. But the issue is, when you're starting out, how do you get people to see this product and buy from you? Because the truth is, people have to know, like, and trust you before they will be able to bring out their credit card to purchase a course that is made by you or a digital product that is made by you. So this is where social media comes in. So you have to increase your game in the social media space. Be active on Instagram, be active on TikTok and other social media platforms, creating educational or value-based content. You can either do this or spend money on advertisement. So online advertisement is not cheap, but it will give you the result faster. But the thing is, when you stop advertising, you stop getting sales. So how do you get sales and sustain sales? You do that by creating a following on social media. So creating value-based content will help you to attract people. When those people consume your content for a period of time, they know you, like you, and trust you enough to bring out their credit card to purchase from you. So this will bring us to the next and final tip on how to diversify or make passive income as a freelancer. Create and monetize a YouTube channel. So the creator's economy is worth over $100 billion, and YouTube is one of the platforms that pays the highest to people who are willing to make content for this platform. So how they make money is they share the revenue that advertisers are willing to pay to show their product on those YouTube videos. So as a freelancer, you can create value-based content related to your skill set and upload them onto YouTube. And you can make money through advertisement revenue, brand sponsorship deals, and affiliate marketing. So to be able to earn money from YouTube's advertisement revenue, you should be able to meet the minimum requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour on your video in a 12 months period. So this is not easy to pull off, but with adequate commitment and effort, you should be able to do that in a couple of months. So the second way to make money via your YouTube channel is brand sponsorship. So brand can approach a content creator to advertise their product on a video. The product is being mentioned or a full video is being done to review that product. So the brand pays the creator a fixed amount or an amount that is connected to an affiliate and pays the creator commissions based on sales. And the last way to make money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. So this is basically when a creator reviews a product and shares an affiliate link and gets his or her viewers to purchase the product from a particular brand, and this brand pays the creator commission when any product is being bought through their affiliate link. So creators on YouTube make a lot of money, but you have to be committed to make content. So we talked about 5 ways to diversify and make passive income, but each and every one of them comes with a price. So in order to make more money, you just have to put in the shift, you have to put in the time, you have to be committed to a course. So go ahead and implement a couple of the things that we've talked here in this video, and you will be on your way to make extra money every month.